How do you say be quiet in French? The phrase be quiet in French is tais-toi. Tais-toi. In the plural, or the formal form of you say taisez-vous. Taisez-vous. Tais-toi, tu dis n'importe quoi. Tais-toi, tu dis n'importe quoi. Be quiet, you're talking nonsense. Tenez, mangez ça et taisez-vous. Tenez, mangez ça et taisez-vous. Here, eat this and be quiet. So, be quiet in French is tais-toi. Or if you're being formal or plural, you say taisez-vous. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. The verb taire in French means to be silent, and it comes from the Latin word tacere, meaning silent or still. We get the English word tacit from this too. If something is tacit, it is understood without needing to be explained. For example, a tacit agreement is an unspoken agreement.